Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. XRP bulls could face bloodbath if Bitcoin dominance rises, says Analyst. Next, top crypto analyst says Bitcoin far closer to the cycle peak than people want to admit. Here's his timeline. Also, Coinbase FOIA requests unearth more instances of US FDIC asking banks to pause crypto services. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, XRP bulls could face bloodbath if Bitcoin dominance rises, says Analyst. A crypto analyst said the market could be approaching euphoria territory, with the significant amount of XRP longs being reloaded as the price retraces. XRP has fallen almost 18% since hitting its yearly high on December 3rd, but traders still hope for a strong rebound. Their optimism may be tested if Bitcoin dominance continues to increase, a crypto analyst said. The real danger right now for highly leveraged XRP bulls is that Bitcoin dominance increases again. A rotation from XRP to Bitcoin would very likely lead to a bloodbath of liquidations. Crypto exchange SwiftX lead analyst Pav Hundal told Cointelegraph. Markets have developed a thirst for XRP long positions. At the time of publication, Bitcoin dominance was 55.3%, down 5% over the past week, as per TradingView data. Some traders speculate that Bitcoin dominance may peak in the 60% to 70% range before the rotation of capital into altcoins begins. We've seen a lot of quick twitch buying by retail over the last few weeks, and open interest is now close to double the levels we saw in 2021, Hundal said. Hundal added that the market seems to have developed a thirst for leveraged long XRP exposure. I'm watching XRP longs being reloaded even as prices shift lower, he said. XRP was trading at $2.37 at the time of publication. Even a 7% retrace from its current price to $2.18 will wipe out $104.4 million in long positions. Hundal said, "It's starting to look like the market could be approaching euphoria territory." For most of 2024, XRP traded in a narrow range between 48 cents and 73 cents. That changed after Donald Trump's U.S. presidential win on November 5th, triggering a 431% rally. By December 3rd, XRP reached $2.85. On December 5th, XRP open interest, or OI, a metric tracking the total number of unsettled Bitcoin derivative contracts, such as options and futures, clocked $3.44 billion per CoinGlass data. Bitcoin stabilizing will soothe nerves. It was nearly $1.44 billion higher than the $2 billion open interest XRP recorded in April 2021 during a similar price rally. The XRP to BTC ratio, XRP relative strength compared to Bitcoin, is 0.00002375, up 2.72% since December 5th, and up 47.6% over the past 30 days, as per TradingView data. Hundal said if Bitcoin stabilizes, it could soothe nerves and spot volumes could pick up again. The funding rates on Bitcoin are not hot, but across other exchanges they are pretty warm. Anything over 50% on the one-year funding rate heat map is generally considered pretty exuberant, he said. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, top crypto analyst says Bitcoin far closer to the cycle peak than people want to admit. Here's his timeline. A closely followed crypto trader believes Bitcoin will hit its cycle peak well before people's expectations. Pseudonymous trader The Flow Horse tells his 247,900 followers on the social media platform X that Bitcoin's market peak this cycle could come in as early as the first quarter of 2025. I don't care what anyone else says. We are far closer to the end for a bit than people want to admit. I would say within the first quarter. After big price moves, the chatter often shifts to even bigger moves, multiples of the current price. Ironically, that's usually a strong signal that we're nearing the peak, and it's just one of many indicators pointing in that direction. He also predicts that alts will explode, outperforming Bitcoin in the first to second quarter of 2025, closing out the current crypto bull cycle. As mentioned before, Bitcoin already won. This seems a bit more applicable to alts. I think Bitcoin tops, we get a nice major rotation into alts, and then it's a wrap. Within 1 to 2 quarters seems more reasonable for all of it. However, other crypto analysts have a much different opinion. Crypto trader Michael Vanderpop tells his 748,400 followers that Bitcoin has much more room to the upside based on a decreasing supply on crypto exchanges and increasing market liquidity. This is one massive difference from the previous cycles. The amount of BTC on exchanges has substantially decreased and keeps decreasing. A supply shock is imminent with a big amount of liquidity being added. This cycle will go way higher than we all expect. Wrecked Capital tells his 507,400 followers on the social media platform X that Bitcoin may reach its cycle peak in about a year based on how long it previously took BTC to hit cycle peaks after the halving events when miners' rewards are cut in half. Bitcoin's most recent halving event was in mid-April. In the 2015 to 2017 cycle, Bitcoin peaked 518 days after the halving. In the 2019 to 2021 cycle, Bitcoin peaked 546 days after the halving. If history repeats and the next bull market peak occurs 518 to 546 days after the halving, that would mean Bitcoin would peak in this cycle in mid-September or mid-October 2025. Bitcoin is trading for $99,741 at time of writing. Our next top headline, Coinbase FOIA requests unearth more instances of U.S. FDIC asking banks to pause crypto services. Top U.S.-based crypto exchange Coinbase's Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA, requests are uncovering more instances where the U.S. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, asked banks to freeze crypto services. In a new thread on the social media platform X, Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal says the revealed information confirms the notion that the U.S. government was attempting to undermine the digital assets industry was not a conspiracy theory. The letters show that Operation Choke Point 2.0 wasn't just some crypto conspiracy theory. FDIC is still hiding behind way overboard redactions, and they still haven't produced more than a fraction of them. One example included in the documents reveals FDIC Assistant Regional Director Joseph A. Meade asking an unnamed bank in Dallas, Texas, to pause its crypto activities in 2022 because the FDIC had not determined what, if any, regulatory filings will be necessary for a bank to engage in this type of activity. Caitlin Long, the founder and chief executive of crypto-friendly bank Custodia Bank, took to X to say that the FDIC's actions were disguised ways to legally cripple law-abiding crypto institutions. These pause letters date back to March 11, 2022, 2 years and 9 months ago. These weren't pause letters because the pause was indefinite. These were really cease and desist letters cloaked in legalese, designed to crush law-abiding crypto. Last month, Grewal also uncovered 20 instances where the FDIC instructed banks to cease crypto activities without any evidence that they committed crimes. Coinbase sued the FDIC and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission earlier this year, claiming that the agencies were attempting to undermine the crypto industry. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.